I'm just doing a super quick DIY. I made solar lanterns, and I put them on Facebook. I did a Facebook Live, so I figured why not do a YouTube Live, because I do have a channel. So, hi, how y'all doing? Hope you're having a blessed day. Anyways, I made these little solar lanterns for under $5, okay? Seriously, and I've got enough stuff to do like 8 more. So, let's do it. Okay, we're going to get started. So, all you need is twine, hot glue, your scissors, your hot glue gun. I got this is a cup, a little sippy cup that I got at Dollar Tree. Just take the lid off, wash it out. It's plastic. They come in pink, purple, and blue. So, it's plastic. So, when your glue gun gets good and hot, just hold it on there and let it melt a hole in it, okay? Then you go, I'm sorry, I hit do not disturb. So anyway, then you just flip it around and go to the opposite side and put a hole in it there, okay? Just hold it on there. It's going to melt a hole in it. That's what heat does to plastic. Yay! So anyways, a little science lesson, I guess, too. Anyway, everybody knows that. So then you just thread a piece of twine through there and tie it into a knot. I tied mine in like 3 little knots, and then you just kind of move that to the side. Then, hi baby, you want to hop up here? Sorry, Reveille, my dog, one of my dogs is wanting to hop up behind my pillow here. Hop up, baby girl, it's okay. So that's Reveille making an appearance. Anyway, they gotta go how they gotta go. So, then, while you're at Dollar Tree, go ahead and pick up one of their solar lights, okay? Pop this bottom off, pop this little yellow tag out, and you'll be left with this, which fits perfectly on top of there. I'll go around Dollar Tree taking these and just seeing what I can stick them in to see what I can make light up. Okay, so after you've tied that on, you're going to want to weigh it down. So, go over to the crafting section at Dollar Tree and get these little glass beads, little glass marbles. And pull yourself out a little handful and just put it at the bottom. Maybe a little bit more. Just where it looks like that. Alright? That's all you're going to do. Then, go over to, walk down a little bit, and you'll find these. Alright, get yourself a pack of these, and we're just going to dump some of these right on in. Because we want them to reflect the light and make it light even brighter. I got some little white ones, I got some pink ones, just dump them on in. Make it fun. And I have some silver ones too, but I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to put those in. I'm not sure yet. So you put those down in there. That'll weight it down so it'll hang straight and absorb the sun. Then all you're going to do is, let me push that pillow back. I might run out of glue on this one, so let's grab another stick. You're just going to put glue right here. I'm sorry, I had these glued together, and then I realized, hey, I got to weight them down, so I had to take them apart. So this is just glue that I couldn't get off. So, and these are for me anyway. So, hey, you just put glue right there. After you take that little yellow tag out, you're just going to put some glue right around that edge there. All the way around. Put that stick in. All the way around. And that will also make it airtight. Now you're going to want to move that twine out of the way. Like that. And just stick that right on. Don't worry about the strings. You can get them off when you're done. And then just push it on. Make sure it's on right. And that will get you a good seal all the way around. Look how pretty that is like that. Hang on, if I can move my hands and hold it down at the same time. Of course not. But, almost there. There we go. Shake our little reflectors. Alright. And there you go. And, like I said, the only thing, this is $1, this is $1, all this inside is $1, this is $1. Under $6, sorry. $5. You got it. Because I didn't have to buy the glue or the twine. So already have it here. $4. $5 if it's $1.25, which I think the solar lights might be. So seriously, y'all, go become pink, blue, purple. Go make yourself some little lanterns. Look how cute. I wish you could see them light up. Anyways, hope you have yourself an awesomely blessed night. Bye.